Wait.
There's no oil.
That's the pulley.
We got this. Ooh, look at the lineup. The CTSV. Get the out of my shot, you nick. The weld. Oh, wait. What is that on the inside? Carbon door. That whole delete on the inside. That hit hard. Fender, the hood. Oh shit! Oh, okay. He said he got some fresh ones for us. I got you, partner. Nice. You got it. Yo, can you end that shit down? Woo! Bro, is it stick shift? Ah! What? Nigga. Hey, is this stick? Oh my!
Oh, they lining?
There's
no.
So we got a little issue. One, gas prices, and then I had to get some fuel injector cleaner because allegedly, supposedly, apparently, fuel sending unit went out, so therefore I got nothing on the gauge. And they're saying allegedly on the Corvette forums that if you put specifically Techron in this bitch, it will clean whatever contaminants are on that bitch, and you know what I mean, whatever. And if it don't work, I'm suing the company and shooting that bitch up. So wait. That's such an awkward, like, it's gotta go fast. There you go. I shall bow down before the Chevron gods. Holy shit, that shit really cleaned up the contaminants. We're not driving blindfolded anymore, boys. Let's fucking go. Check out this though, y'all don't even know. Whipple intake, Whipple supercharger, tuned on 93. That's about it, bro. Yeah, you see that stick down there? Look at that, look, the lion on that bitch. That's it, they got no Chevy bed, this is the lion, bro. Lion seats, everything. And then you got Fed here, he left his lights on again. I gotta go! Oh, damn! You gotta hit that flame hole when you leave this hole. That's triple black, what? Black rims, black car, black man. My God! Holy shit! We got the helicopter up there. It's a Blackwing! Nice! I like it. Immaculate. Perfection. Look at the Super Mario Galaxy light hood. That shit really kind of just straight noise though, but we got the damn header dump, it seems like. I don't think so. It smells like coolant or cheap vape. Probably cheap vape. We got the LSGS 400, and we just regrouped. I am so sorry, bro. Blame the Jews. We had homie in the 392. All right, bro. Nice shoes, nigga. You not matching. All right. We regroup at this spot. I'm gonna go first since I'm the fucking quietest, but it won't be anything crazy. Wait, no. Hi. That looks like some sort of bearing. That looks like a, wait. Is there oil on it? Put light to it?
That's a pulley.
That's a pulley for something. I think it's your idler. Came back to the rescue and brought some orange stripes. We're gonna try to go bash bar for bash bar. Oh, God. We did the tug test already. That's a big gap. This on I-10 would look crazy. Oh shit! Look, it's reinforced.
Well, lift up the tray.
Stuck, you fuckers. Lift up the whole thing.
I don't think you lift up the whole tray and you bring it over, but
I'm just the cameraman. So we're gonna have to resume this next week starting Monday because I forgot that the transmission I had delivered all the way down Hobby still has the old Torque Solutions all the transmission mount on it. It is 2 weeks in the future and we over here about to roll this bald bitch onto the new shop. This bitch comes to life tonight. And we got a rain problem, so we gotta hurry up and push this bitch up before we start looking like wet dogs in this hoe. Look at this, straight down the floor. Look at this abomination of an exhaust.
nope.
That's crazy. My shit rolling look wild, bro. Welcome to the shop. A big box. There we go. We got both hoses in this bit. We just gotta bleed the clutch, or they have to. I'm not doing anything. I'm so used to saying we like I'm involved in any project. Fuck, I'm not. Cool. Just gotta put W brace on and put that saggy thing back on that hoe, and we straight.